Best practices for Scala Spark developers in 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of big data and data processing, Apache Spark has emerged as a powerful framework for scalable and efficient data analytics. Scala, with its strong support for functional programming, has become a popular choice for developers working with Spark. Introduction to Apache Spark and Scala. Apache Spark is a distributed computing framework that provides a powerful platform for data engineering, cloud computing, and machine learning applications. Scala, a high-level programming language that runs on the Java virtual machine, is the preferred language for Spark developers due to its concise syntax and seamless integration with Spark. What are the key features of Apache Spark and Scala? Apache Spark offers high-performance optimization, fault tolerance, and parallel processing capabilities, making it ideal for handling large-scale data processing tasks. Scala's scalability and efficient coding practices enable developers to build robust and scalable data pipelines, real-time processing applications, and machine learning models with ease. Best practices for Scala developers working with Apache Spark. Understanding the Spark ecosystem. To leverage the full power of Apache Spark, developers need to have a deep understanding of the Spark ecosystem. This includes familiarizing themselves with Spark SQL for querying structured data, Spark Streaming for real-time data processing, and Spark MLLIB for machine learning tasks. Utilizing Spark SQL for data manipulation. Spark SQL provides a powerful interface for querying and manipulating structured data in Spark. By leveraging Spark SQL's rich set of functions and optimizations, Scala developers can streamline their data processing workflows and enhance the performance of their Spark jobs. Building data pipelines with Spark Streaming. For real-time processing applications, Scala developers can use Spark Streaming to build robust and scalable data pipelines. Staying abreast of the latest developments in Spark. As the field of big data and data analytics continues to evolve, Scala developers should stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the Apache Spark ecosystem. By keeping up to date with new features, enhancements, and best practices in Spark, developers can ensure that their skills remain relevant and competitive in 2024. Conclusion. In conclusion, Apache Spark offers a powerful platform for data processing, machine learning, and real-time analytics, and Scala developers can harness its capabilities to build robust and scalable applications. By following the best practices outlined in this article, Scala developers can optimize their Spark applications for performance, efficiency, and reliability in 2024.